Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer, Cavdle WasteCycler. The Cavdle WasteCycler addresses global food waste by turning leftovers into compost. Load in food scraps, fruit and veggie peels, fish bones, and coffee grounds, and the machine churns out compost. It features 9 modes with the quickest pre-composting 500 milliliters of waste in 2 hours, perfect for a 3-person family. The dishwasher-safe design and deodorizing setup ensure no unpleasant smells. Priced at $270, the WasteCycler is an eco-friendly solution for reducing food waste and creating valuable compost, making it a practical addition to any home. Fiskars Waterwheel XL. The Fiskars Waterwheel XL is an automatic hose reel designed to simplify gardening. It prevents hose tangling and makes storage easy. The set includes an adjustable nozzle and hose connector with a tap, requiring nothing else for operation. It can be placed on any horizontal surface, offering 360-degree rotation and automatic reel-in. This increases the watering area to 1,500 square yards, making it highly efficient. Priced at $150, the Waterwheel XL enhances convenience and efficiency in garden watering, making it a valuable addition to any garden. GrowOya. For those who appreciate classic, time-honored gardening solutions, the GrowOya planter is perfect. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply place it in the ground, fill it with water, and you're set. Made from a special porous material, this planter passively waters your plants within a 3-foot radius. You only need to refill it once every 5 to 10 days. The manufacturer ensures it provides the right amount of water, reducing the risk of root rot from overwatering or drying out from underwatering. Available in 3 sizes, it's suitable for gardens of all sizes. Enjoy hassle-free gardening with GrowOya, knowing your plants are getting the perfect amount of water. Roamwild Mega PestOff Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder. The Roamwild Mega PestOff Bird Feeder is designed to keep squirrels and larger birds like pigeons and crows at bay, ensuring only small birds like yellowhammers can access the food. Its clever design features a special perch that, when activated by a bird landing, releases food into a designated compartment. Easy to clean and refill, this feeder can hold up to 4 liters of food. Priced at $80, it's a convenient and effective solution for bird enthusiasts who want to feed small birds without interference from larger, more aggressive animals. GARDENA StarCut. GARDENA's StarCut pruning lopper is a versatile tool for precise and clean branch cutting. With sharp, non-stick protected blades, it can cut branches up to 1.25 inches in diameter. The adjustable cutting head angle allows for cutting in any direction, and an innovative hook helps remove cut branches from tree crowns. Powered by an internal steel gearbox with a 12-speed gear ratio, StarCut provides high cutting force and efficiency. The StarCut 160 has a 5.25-foot handle, while the StarCut 410 Plus features a telescoping handle adjustable from 7.5 to 13.5 feet. Priced at $110, it ensures quick and easy gardening. EGO Power Plus 650 CFM. Meet the EGO Power Plus 650 CFM, the world's most powerful cordless blower. This powerhouse can clear not only leaves, but also dirt, snow, and even stones. With the ability to accelerate air to 180 miles per hour, it delivers hurricane-like power. A single battery charge provides 90 minutes of operation, and the brushless motor ensures low vibration levels. The blower features a special wheel for speed control and a turbo button for extra power when needed. It comes with several nozzles for versatile cleaning tasks. The easily removable battery makes recharging and replacement a breeze, making it a valuable addition to your garden tools. K1 Kamado. The K1 Kamado is a high-end charcoal grill, perfect even for beginners willing to invest $2,500. Prioritizing safety and ease of use, it features double-walled insulation to prevent burns and a reliable analog temperature sensor displaying both Celsius and Fahrenheit. The grill includes an ash collection tray and a separate drawer for accessories, making cleanup and organization simple. Its innovative design extends beyond traditional grilling, enabling users to explore pizza making, smoking, and baking. The K1 Kamado promises a versatile and enjoyable cooking experience, making it a worthy investment for those passionate about outdoor cooking. Terrateck Multi-row Market Gardening Seeder. This seeder allows working on 12 rows at once, offering versatility with adjustable row distances and seeding density. It weighs 75 pounds and can break up clumps of dirt and compact soil with 2 rollers. Despite its efficiency, it comes at a price of $1,357. Makita Backpack Mist Blower. Makita, one of the world's largest power tool manufacturers, offers the Backpack Mist Blower, a must-have for gardeners. This cordless sprayer connects to 2 batteries simultaneously, featuring a brushless motor that enhances durability and ease of maintenance. It includes a battery protection circuit to prevent critical discharge, overheating, and overloading. With a spraying range of approximately 14 meters, it rivals many gasoline-powered alternatives. The Makita Backpack Mist Blower combines power and convenience, offering reliable performance for $920, making it an essential tool for extensive garden care. Gloria Gardenboy Plus, an electric soil tiller for loosening, weeding, scarifying, and similar operations. With a powerful 400-watt motor, it can work up to 3 inches deep, weighing just over 8 pounds and measuring 51 inches long. Its oscillating action helps remove weeds along with their roots, promoting the development of beneficial microorganisms. RG-Can KombiTooll. Designed by German engineers, the RG-Can KombiTooll is a professional cordless brush cutter that tackles both grass and bushes effortlessly. Its standout feature is compatibility with AR backpack batteries, allowing you to cut up to 368 square feet of grass on a single charge. The brush cutter features an unusual speed control system with a wide handle easily pressed with one finger. Speed data is conveniently displayed on the built-in display, and its components are protected against moisture, making it usable even in the rain. This robust and innovative tool ensures efficient gardening, making it a must-have for serious gardeners.